Hello folks, I'm being discharged today. I've had me filler pipes taken out. That was fun. There's about 4 inches of pipe, maybe 5 inches of pipe going down into an artery in my neck, and it was all stitched in, so they had to cut the stitches out and then pull it out quick. There's a lot of blood up the wall there, but it'll wipe off, I'm sure, blend in. So the doctor came around first thing this morning and he's given me a list of foods that I can and can't eat, and specifically because I'm on warfarin for the rest of my life, which is a blood thinner to stop clotting. I can't eat foods, or should avoid foods with high vitamin K. I'll just read you out what some of them are. In fact, I've got this big list here. So some of the high ones are beet greens. Oh God, beet greens. Oh well. Black-eyed peas, which is a shame because I like the black-eyed peas. Oh, not the group. Black-eyed peas. Right. Okay. Broccoli. I like broccoli. Broccoli cheese. I'll miss that. I can have it in very small portions apparently. Brussels sprouts. Fucking result. I can't eat Brussels sprouts. Christmas is going to be brilliant. Oh, result. Avoid Brussels sprouts, it says. There we go. Oh no. Cauliflower. Oh no, hang on. Cauliflower's alright. I can eat cauliflower. Chard. Well, that's alright. No, I'm not going to miss that. Oh. Coleslaw. Avoid coleslaw. Back of the net. Wow. What else? Oh, that's alright. Don't like them anyway, greens. Eggplants alright. You're not going to believe this. Guess what's top of the list? It's only coriander. Coriander. I can't eat it anymore, and I've got a medical excuse. Oh, I'm glad these researchers do their stuff properly. Everybody knows it's poison. Oh, that's brilliant. And coleslaw as well. What a result. Hang on, it got meats as well. Liver. I'm not allowed liver. Result, I hate liver. And kidney. And heart. Oh, all the things I hate anyway. Tomatoes are alright. Potatoes are okay. Yeah, that's alright. Turnips. What a result. And parsnips. Devil's potatoes. They're on the list. Can't eat them. Sorry. Can't have parsnips. Not allowed to eat them. That's brilliant, isn't it? God. Oh, I'm feeling better already. So much better. All the stuff I hate is on the list. Can't eat. Sorry. I'd love to come to dinner, but I know you like parsnips. Coleslaw? No. Medical reasons I can't eat it. Coriander? I love it, but I just can't. Oh, hang on. I think I'm going to piss myself.